Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open the Pepperstone demo account. So first of all you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you either create your account or log in into your account, you will be shown this type of applications section in the left hand side on your Pepperstone dashboard. Now over here you are going to see the live tab as well as this demo tab. So you need to simply select the demo tab. Then in order to create your trading account, you just have to simply click on the option of add a trading account. Afterwards you need to choose the preferred trading platform. So you can choose Pepperstone, MT5 and MT4. So currently I'm going to select Pepperstone. Then you need to select the account type, whether you want to select standard or razor. So let's say I'm going to select standard account type. Now you can give your demo account a nickname, and here you just have to select the starting amount of your demo account. You can also change the currency, so you will be shown a bunch of different types of currencies. So currently I'm going to select the USD here. Now click on the option of submit, and as soon as you click on the option of submit, you will be shown that you have successfully created your demo account, and now you can continue to web trader in order to basically open this type of terminal in front of you, where you can basically place your trades and even backtest. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.